knocking this?
Hey.
Oh shit, who knocking?
Fuck it.
This the remix.
This the fucking
remix.
Got my niggas meals in.
You see my baby with the red rag on.
Shit. Yeah, my niggas do
We
it.
block.
I stay up on that G shit.
Ballin'.
If you want it, you been about that beef shit. Cop 4 5s and 9s.
Bang.
My niggas on the grind.
Choppers.
We let that shit unwind.
Gah.
Bullets rip through your spine.
Easy.
Where it be go? Bring it back. I'm on the track, sipping yak. Going off that, my niggas smoking. That loud pack. Hats to the back, cop to the right. And my niggas ready, down to fight. And my niggas ready, and now I get the lights and I'm screaming this. We ride with it, ride with it, right when I rock it, ride with it, die 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 with it, right.
Ooh, he just chopped it. Swear to God, what's up, nigga? Fucking with these fuck niggas. These niggas sitting with fuck niggas. Hold up, I got big guns and them niggas pull them head triggers. Swear to God that I'm 5 foot, but I stand about 6 tall, nigga. When I'm standing on my stacks, nigga, and racks on racks, nigga. My nigga standing in the front door while you posted in that back, nigga. Always at the front door when I serve the pack at the trap, nigga. I want them to see me when them niggas calling back, nigga. Yeah, you know that be that money shit. You know my niggas always on that hunting shit. We green paint packing on that hunting shit. Fuck it, what you saying? Yeah, yo girl, she nothing but around her bitch. And I banged her, what's up with all these fuck niggas? It's MCF and I can't fuck with fuck niggas. This is the remix. Better yet, this be my B-mix. And I chopped it, then I screwed it, then I flipped it. Straight remix, and I'm on that straight G shit like my broski did it. Niggas know Millie Mills, I'm ballin' on my pivot. I got locked down and on y'all gotta quit it. These niggas can't stand me, swear Lord is my witness. And I be swagging total fitness like I work at Bally with the Bally Bill. You can't tip me, I'm gone straight tipsy. Man in the mid, swear to God, you niggas talk, you stand tall, you like a midget, little bitch. How I get it, swear to God that I'm shitting SS on that shit and Paulo when I'm writing on that biggie. Nigga, you know I'm with it, nigga, I gotta get it. Swear to I'm blowing on that shit just like a swisher may bust her down. May hit her, might lick her, but I pipe her down. Then I pass it to my niggas cause I hold the crown. I don't even know, bro, but if I'm working, no, I gotta keep it on the low. Cause if my bro know in a fucking PO, they gon' tell them people like I'm working for the folks. I don't do that shit. Never snitching on the low, I don't snitch on the high. I say fucking get blow. Nigga, what you saying, bitch? I'm staying on my toes. I gotta get this money cause I want a copper rose. I'm staying fresh from my head to my toes. Even though this be the fam shit, stripes like Jabos. I mean big straps on me, yeah, you get clapped, homie. Push your shit back, toupee to the back, homie. And to the front of that, that's a punchline. I'm in the front line, so step up to that gun line. Red dot, red eye. Bitch, you know y'all stay fried. It's 5-star and I rock with 6. But niggas fuck with me, they got me screwed. I kill a nigga, chop and screw. Pussy nigga, yeah, what it do? And I'm riding out, no home improved, but Tim Allen like I keep a tool.